So out of the box, WordPress comes with two taxonomies, we call them internally. People recognize categories and tags as things that WordPress gives us on the default WordPress post type. So I click into the interface and I get on a new post, and I see that I can select what categories and tags that I want my post to have. Well, you might want to extend, for various reasons, these post types, have new types of taxonomies that you put things into, things like difficulty level or genre. Depending on how you're using posts, you might want to do a lot of different ones. So with pods, it's pretty easy to create new ones. So I'm going to create, let's call it a difficulty, the idea being that I'm using my posts actually as essentially tutorials. So I want to create a new taxonomy for posts. And so in pods, what I do is I go to add new, and then I select that I want to create a custom taxonomy, and that it shall be difficulty level, and that the plural will be difficulty levels. And then I hit a next step, and right there I've got a taxonomy. Okay, so to apply a custom taxonomy inside of pods to a specific post type, I come into advanced options and I scroll down here, and you'll see this associated at the bottom, this associated post types option, and I've already selected posts. So if I unselect that, we'll note that everything goes back to the way it was, that is I can't select a difficulty there. If I go back, reselect posts, which you'll have to do when you initially create it, now I see that there is this difficulties levels taxonomy here, and also if I go to add a new post and I scroll down, I see this difficulty levels, which looks a lot like categories, which is the way I intend it to be. There will be level 1, 2, and 3, or intermediate, advanced, beginner, something like that, and those shall go there. So that's kind of how I'm thinking of it, and that kind of sets everything up.